Welcome to our 5 iSpot pilot workshop. Today we'll introduce you about the big screen camera options. The rotation button in the big screen camera option is used to rotate the camera image 118 degrees to adjust and restore the normal view when the image is reversed. The exposure value is normally set to automatic when ambient light affects the camera image. Exposure can be adjusted to low, medium, or high. Day or night conversions helps restore the image in different lighting conditions. Click refocus when the image is unclear. Reconnect when the camera is disunplugged. And restore factory setting to reset camera parameters to default.